कि इसको ट्रैक कैसे कर सकते हैं यार।
सही
ऐसे
बात।
पहाड़ों पे मतलब कैसे, मैं यहाँ से नीचे अगर मोबाइल गिरा है ना तो मैं शायद नीचे लेने भी ना चाहूँ सीरियसली यार।
बहुत फिटनेस है ये ट्रैक के लिए। मैं
Finally, the time has come to say goodbye to this wonderful place. Kaza, you were amazingly beautiful, and thanks to Tashi Homestay family, these 3 days we were really treated like a part of their own and just pampered like anything. It is the warmth and their love which we are taking from here now.
चलो बाय।
A special thanks to these beautiful ladies for preparing such a lovely and tasty local home food. Mind you guys, preparing breakfast was not easy, and for that they had to wake up early in the cold temperatures and prepare food for us with so much dedication and enthusiasm put in, and for that I am really thanking them from the bottom of my heart. Only I can understand how painful the life was in the cold valley. I am strongly recommending this homestay people, and here again I am repeating to ditch the hotel and stay in homestay. And if you are a hardcore traveler like me, you will understand. If you want to explore the roots of the place, homestays are there to help you. If you want to explore the local food, culture, the people and their daily course, and in total their life and how they go about it. This is mandatory for every traveler to explore whichever places he goes. The homestay is an excellent for both solo as well as group travelers. I can even recommend it for couples. The rooms are good with clean bedding. They have current capacity to accommodate around 15 people. You won't be getting luxuries in such places, and so be prepared and face the situation just like the locals. Sometimes the electricity won't be there. In our case, we were facing problems of frozen water in the morning when we were about to do our daily course. The life was tough, but we enjoyed every bit of it. After all, variety is the spice of life. Winters are little tough, and if you are planning to take a trip in other season, you will be just fine. The time is around 11:30 a.m. right now, and we are moving towards Ski Monastery as we are left to explore the monastery from within. Day before yesterday, we had gone in the late evening, but it was kind of closed, and so we had to return back. Guys, we just returned exploring the Key Monastery and have come to the monastery here in Kaza. Photography and videography were prohibited inside the Key Monastery, and so we could not record any video, and here we are.
बंद है।
मोनेस्ट्री
हाँ
गुरुजी होने पहले वहाँ दुकान में वहाँ बैठा हुआ था, वहाँ बोल दीजिए।
कहाँ पे?
इधर सामने दुकान नहीं है, वहाँ पे है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
फोटो बाहर से। हाँ
उधर तो कोई देखा नहीं हमने गुरुजी, नीचे से ही आए हम अभी की से आए।
ये दुकान में बैठा है ना, वहाँ बोल दीजिए। हाँ वहाँ
उधर था कोई?
हाँ वहाँ बोल दीजिए।
अच्छा आ गए क्या?
गुरुजी को बोलो, गुरुजी कुछ कराओ।
We have finished visiting the Kaza monastery, and it was really beautiful. highly recommended. We have now come to this souvenir shop just ahead of the monastery to buy some souvenir before we say a final goodbye to this beautiful place. So as I speak, I have already bought a Tibetan teacup for myself, some stickers to put it on the bike, t-shirts, Tibetan flags and some Tibetan incense sticks. Here you can see some different types of locks having intricate designs, photos. So this is all they have. Some old rustic teapots, vessels.
एक ही है अभी, एक ही मिला डबल एक्सेल.
So these are the thermos to keep the tea.
अच्छा अच्छा. मेरे दोस्त आने वाले हैं जून में, तो उनके लिए वीडियोस बना रहा हूँ. मेरे को अगर कुछ चाहिए तो मैं उनको बोल दूंगा, क्योंकि रेंज नहीं आता ना इधर. तो क्या है, ये किचन है ना सब.
So if you guys visit Kaza anytime, don't forget to visit this shop before leaving at any cost. We are leaving the souvenir shop now. Inside and then we'll be coming back. We are going inside the valley just to see and experience its beauty. However, many people come here for trekking purpose. After all, snow leopards can be even found here too.
मालूम है कौन सा रोड है वो विलेज कौन सा आगे. रोड कहाँ से देखना पड़ेगा. उधर से है रोड, इसके पीछे से है, इधर से नहीं है रोड.
हाँ
घुमा दो.
गलत है गलत है.
क्या हुआ? यही रोड है?
रोड है पर ये ऐसा है ना, वहाँ पे से आगे ऐसा अगर खड्डा बड़ा हुआ तो नहीं जा पाएंगे ना। क्या बोलते हैं?
लेट्स डू इट।
गिरा तो बचाने आना भाई।
Guys, we are almost driving on the dry river bed here.
है ना? पक्का है ना?
आगे भी और
स्नो पर
के लिए बना है ये, जो कार के लिए है, मतलब कार जाए नहीं सकती।
घुसाओ क्या? खीला नहीं है ना? सारा लग जाएगी ना तो मेरी।
कीला तो है,
अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, गीला तो मत जाओ।
कीला है और कई कई जगह पे तो ऊपर है।
ओ ना ना, मैं तो नहीं लेके जाऊंगा।
नहीं भाई, बहुत परेशानी उठानी पड़ती
यहाँ
है।
तो रुके ना तो गए।
नहीं चलिए तो
नहीं, गीला तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी।
खीला यार, डर लग रहा है मेरे को। पंक्चर हो गया ना,
नहीं नहीं, मत लेके जा।
मर जाएंगे।
कोई पता नहीं, कोई अंदर तो यहाँ कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
बहुत रिमोट है यार ये तो।
बाकी ब्रिज मजबूत है।
ब्रिज मजबूत है, बस सारा टायर मजबूत नहीं है ना अपना। फिर कुंगरी जाके आता है, ऐसा तो कुंगरी जाके आता है। कुंगरी, हाँ
बहुत दूर हो जाएगा।
6 किलोमीटर ही है।
छः जाना और 6 आना, मतलब बहुत आधा घंटा रुकेंगे वो अलग।
Guys, we got lured by this village which was on the opposite side of the river and was fully covered with snow. But the bridge made up of wood and the nails popping up prevented us from crossing to the other side. Chitcal memories flashed at the back of our mind, and hence we are retreating from here and probably will be exiting the Pin Valley now. It's late afternoon and we have some distance to cover before we halt at Tabo tonight.
क्या हुआ?
We stopped to take some photos here as the backdrop of the mountains is perfect. The time is around 4:45 in the evening.
निकल गया होगा वो।
So finally we have reached Tabo and will be now looking for a place to stay for tonight.
वो है ना सामने वाला,
बंद है, बंद है।
फिर कौन सा अभी खुला है?
वो बोल रहे हैं ये खुला है और एक अंदर गली में वो है।
इसको पूछ लेते हैं। तो बहुत होटल है यार, मेरे को होटल ज़्यादा है।
Hi, we have just reached Tabo and we got a homestay. Bikes parked outside because we cannot take the bike till the end. So we're just unloading the luggage and then we'll go to the monastery, which is, I think, next to it. Yes, there it is. Plan is to do some photography in the monastery. Tomorrow we are leaving early, around 7, and we'll reach Rampur by tomorrow evening. And then day after tomorrow we'll reach Chandigarh. Clouds in the golden hour are just amazing.
ये तो आज ही अहमदाबाद जाने वाले
पहुंच
थे।
गया तो मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा।
अहमदाबाद के
अहमदाबाद के
अच्छा, अहमदाबाद तो मुझे भी पहुंचना है। अच्छा